You were told dropping subject pronouns is just fine simply because all Italians do it. Well, it is fine if you plan to never learn them. Learners rush to drop pronouns, then when they need them, they're gone. Picture playing tennis with an imaginary racket. In the next 2 minutes, I'll give you 3 reasons why dropping pronouns early will sabotage your learning. Keeping them will help you feel every other pronoun, the ones you cannot drop. Despite what you've been told, Italians don't always drop pronouns. Italians drop pronouns until they need contrast, correction, or emphasis. Sì, confesso, non è stato lui, sono stato io. Subject pronouns anchor the verb. They tell you who is acting, not just what is happening. Mi scusi, è proprio un grande attore. Who is a great actor? Mi scusi, lei è proprio un grande attore. Now that's clear. Linguistics has known this for a long time. Personal pronouns sit at the most primitive layer of language. They're among the last elements to be acquired in a child's speech, and the first to be lost in aphasia. If Stonehenge fascinates you, personal pronouns are older. If you stop dropping subject pronouns too early, every other pronoun becomes easier. Keep repeating them out loud in every sentence. What happens then? They'll stop living here. They'll come straight out of here and here. That's where speech lives. Be well and speak well.